attached to
Prior to the last question.
prior to the last
All right.
question. It's the same question that I asked you.
The stenographer is requested to go to the record and state the question previous to the question bearing on the ITR of Mr. Castillo. Order.
The question, Your Honor, was, Madam Witness, good afternoon. You identified the car or the certificate authorizing registration for the La Vista property, which was sold by spouses Corona and Mrs. Cristina Corona in 2010 to their daughter Carla, married to Constantino, for the sum of 18 million pesos. My question is this, ma'am. When you conducted the review of documents for the transaction, did you also review the ITRs, if any, that were filed by Constantino?
By
Constantino, Your Honor, he is not a co-conspirator in this impeachment.